Good morning. Oh, sleepyhead. Happy Easter. Easter Bunny came. Hey, good morning. Say hi. You want to see the Easter Bunny? Tom Tom. Oh, come on, the Easter Bunny came. Let's see what the Easter Bunny brought you. Let's see what the Easter Bunny brought you. Come on, Tom Tom. Come on, Tommy. Let's go see. Let's go see. You coming? Let's see what the Easter Bunny brought you. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. Let's look. Let's see. Wow. Wow. What is that?
What's that?
It looks like peanut butter chocolate.
Open.
Well, let's look at everything. What else you got in there?
Oh.
What's that?
Oh. Yeah.
Good.
What's that?
That's jelly bean.
Yeah.
Try it.
Mmm.
Looks like your brother got a basket too.
Mm-hmm.
What else is in there? Take it all out. Don't take brother's out. Brother will be here in a little bit. That's brother's. We'll let brother look at his when he gets here.
This butters.
That's brother's, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's look what Tommy's got.
This Tommy.
Yeah.
This butters.
That's right.
I keep.
Yeah, that's right. Come here. You got something on your nose.
Oh.
Let me see. Did I get it?
Yeah.
Look at me.
We did it.
Here, what else is in there? What else is in there? Hey, psst, psst, psst. Don't look at brother's. Here, let's look at Tommy's. Here, what else does Tommy have? What else did the Easter Bunny bring? What else is in your basket? Knucklehead?
I bought it. This bunch chocolate.
Chocolate.
My chocolate.
What else do you got? What's this?
What's this? Bottle.
Water bottle. What else you got?
My bottle.
Ball. Do you know what this is? That's a baseball bat.
Baseball bat.
Yeah. Cool. What else is in there? What else you got in your basket? Ooh. Yummy. We'll be back.